There's something truly magical about bringing a mandala to life with color. It's more than just filling in shapes. It's a meditative process, a journey of creativity, and a moment of calm in a busy world. Today, let's immerse ourselves in the joy of coloring a mandala. Every color we choose has a story to tell. Bright, warm tones bring energy and vibrance, while cool, soft shades create a sense of peace and harmony. Whether you go for a bold contrast or a subtle gradient, let your intuition guide you. The center of a mandala represents our starting point, our inner self. As we lay down the first strokes of color, we set the mood for the entire piece. The simple act of coloring can slow down our thoughts and draw us into the present moment. As we add the final touches, deeper shades, tiny highlights, or perhaps a little sparkle, we breathe life into our mandala. Every stroke, every hue is a reflection of our mood and imagination. Now that our mandala is beautifully colored, we can enhance it further with some intricate details. Adding borders and fine patterns using black highlighters or markers will bring more depth and definition to our design. You can create tiny dots, lines, or delicate motifs inside each petal, making the design look even more intricate. Just remember to stick to the same pattern throughout each layer to maintain harmony and balance in your mandala. Finally, a touch of white can add beautiful highlights, making the colors stand out and giving the mandala a more dynamic and dimensional look. A few strokes in the right places can make all the difference. And here it is, our completed mandala, rich in color, detail, and creativity. Every layer, every stroke adds to its beauty, making it a true reflection of our artistic journey. I hope you enjoyed this process as much as I did. See you in the next video.